Thank you for clicking on this video, and today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of the Loot Crate, the Expanse Rocinante Spaceship replica. Let's go ahead and unbox this replica. Okay. There you go, guys. Let's see. The Expanse Rocinante ship. It's a replica of the ship that they used on that TV series. So I'm a fan of these TV series. So and then I saw that I saw this thing on Amazon. It's only $5. So yeah, I decided to get it for myself. Alright, let me open this, unbox it. Okay, and there you go. Okay guys, this is not big, it's just small. So this is my my cutter, and just to scale it, it's not that big. But it looks, looks nice. Alright, and this is the spacecraft, or the spaceship. And let's go ahead and assemble this. And there you go. So guys, there you have it. The Expanse Rocinante spaceship. Alright guys, so that's it for today. That is the Rocinante spaceship, from the TV series The Expanse. So if you want to grab this one for $5 on Amazon, so I'll put a link down on the description below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you on my next video.